Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to enable notifications for a specific website on the Google Chrome app. If you've ever missed important updates from a site you care about, this is the setting you need to turn on. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, look to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. This will open the main menu where all your settings are stored. From that menu, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings. This is where you can control how Chrome behaves on your device. Inside the Settings page, find and tap on Notifications. This section manages all alerts you receive from Chrome, including those from websites. Now, make sure that the main toggle for Allow Notifications is turned on. If this is off, Chrome won't send you any alerts at all, so this step is important. Next, tap on Notification Categories. This will show you different types of notifications, including those from websites you've interacted with. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Sites. Here, you'll see a list of websites that have requested permission to send you notifications. Look through the list and find the specific site you want to enable notifications for. Once you've found it, simply toggle it on.